An interdisciplinary approach in mathematics for classes 11 and 12, aligned with NEP 2020 and competency-based curriculum 2025-26, enhances learning by integrating concepts and methods from different subjects. An interdisciplinary approach in maths for classes 11 and 12 aim to enhance understanding and problem-solving skills. The interdisciplinary approach in teaching mathematics for class 11 and 12 promotes connecting mathematical principles to real-world situations, fostering critical thinking and encouraging students to synthesize knowledge from different fields.
Here is the application of mathematics in aesthetics, symbolism, and nature. Now, what is the golden ratio? The golden ratio is 1.618. It is represented by the Greek letter phi and is the mathematical ratio found throughout nature and art. It is defined as a ratio where a plus b divided by a equal to a divided by b. That is, a line is divided so that the ratio of the whole to the longer segment is equal to the ratio of the longer to the shorter segment. Now, applications. The Nataraja statue, shown before, often is analyzed in terms of the golden ratio. One analysis suggests that the height of the head in the statue is approximately an eighth of the total height, which is considered to be the golden ratio proportion. The second example, eyes, nose, and the art of proportion. One of the key areas where golden ratio is considered is the relationship between the eyes and the nose. Aesthetically speaking, the width of the nose is ideally 1.618 times the distance between the eyes, shown before. Some even argue that the ideal human figure has its navel at a point that divides the body into golden ratio, with the distance from the navel to the head being in proportion to the distance from the navel to the feet. The golden ratio is even applied in designing the musical instruments. One example is the violin. The ratio of violin's body length is close to the golden ratio, as shown in the coming figure. Towards the end of this slideshow, you would notice golden ratio in the sunflower seeds. The sunflower seeds are often arranged in spirals, and number of spirals in opposite direction often corresponds to consecutive Fibonacci numbers. For example, one direction might have 34 spirals, while the other has 55, both Fibonacci numbers. The shell spiral. The shell of a snail often forms a spiral that closely resembles the golden ratio. The growth of the shell also involves the Fibonacci sequence, with each chamber being the sum of the two preceding chambers.
Nature applies golden ratio in human anatomy, in sunflower seed patterns and shells, while human beings apply it in designing statues, musical instruments, buildings, etc. Whereas have you noticed golden ratio in your surroundings?
Position, 15 minutes, half past, 30 minutes, quarter to, and clock position, right? And while it runs, it tells you the hours through each spiral. There.
Wow.
And after 6.
After 6?
Goes down
Oh.
7, 8, 9, just the same. So basically it's 10 o'clock.
11,
Yeah.
12.
Now it's half past 10, you see. This is the minutes, remember?